Welcome to Start Down. Before running in Shopify, there is one important thing you should fix first. If you are using discount without a limit, customer could receive much bigger discount than expected on large order. So in this video, I show you a simple fix using the Next Discount app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the store. Then here we can check by the product. Click on any product. Here it is in $500. So here I add 4 quantities. Click on add to cart. Then go to the cart. Here it is the total amount is 2000. So if we are applying 10% off, it will be say $200. So we have to reduce that much of discount value so that we can fix that using Next Discount app. So go to the Shopify admin dashboard. Then here in app section, tap on Next Discount. Then here click create new discount. Here I choose discount code. Then give a code as first 10, then discount value as percentage and 10%. See, okay. Now we have to set the capping amount. Here I set to $75. So this is the important fix. The capping amount set the maximum discount customer can receive. So even if the percentage discount become very high, it will stop at $75. So this is very important part. Then discount apply for all product. Then discount message, it is for automatic discount. Then minimum purchase requirement, no minimum purchase requirement. Then eligibility for all customer. Maximum discount use I limit to 1 use per customer. Here we can set the date. Offer start from date and to end. Here, okay. Now the product combined with, here I choose all option. Now click on save. Next we can go to the store, and here you see this is the total amount. So let's apply the code. Click on apply. Let's see how much it will reduce. So it is here only say $75. Actually it will be save up to $200 because it is 10% off we given. So we have already set the capping amount to $75. So it limit the discount value. So that's it. Small setting like this can make a huge difference during Shopify sale. So before launching your next offer, make sure your discounts are properly limited. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.